interview, imbibe the skills and expertise an interview requires, identify the engagement rules of a face-to-face interview, know how to answer the interview questions effectively, list do's and don'ts of an effective interview, develop a good opening and closing interview strategy, identify your strengths and weaknesses, describe the steps to get general information about the organization. An interview is a widely used process of screening applicants for jobs. It provides the most direct information about a candidate, his or her skills, background, and personality types. According to Gary Dessler, an interview is a procedure designed to obtain information from a person's oral responses to oral inquiries. According to Bovey and Thill, an interview is any planned conversation with a specific purpose involving two or more people. Preparation for a job interview. Every interview is an experience of learning which takes place during the preparation. It is useful for the interview you are appearing for. The initial preparation requires a thorough investigation of skills, accomplishments, expertise, and your interests. The interview preparation includes 4 P's, that is, prepare, practice, present, and participate. Prepare. Being prepared for the interview increases the confidence level of an individual. Practice. Rehearsing what you want to say during an interview helps you sound confident and saves you from common mistakes. Present. The way you present yourself in an interview, that is, your appearance, your body language, your attitude, is very important to achieve your goal. Participate. Participating actively with a positive attitude is also required for a successful interview. Preparing for a job interview. Common preparations for an effective interview include carrying out an assessment of your skills, strengths, and weaknesses, and your interest for the job. Researching the organization. Make sure that you have enough information about the organization. For instance, the organization's position in the industry, nature of the job, etc. Updating your resume. This is another important factor. You must be sure that you have updated your latest certification and accomplishments before you appear for the interview. You must also check grammar and spelling. Preparing a list of commonly asked questions. Make a list of 10 to 15 commonly asked questions based on your qualification, projects handled, skills, etc. Understanding the venue details. Be doubly sure as to where the organization is located, for instance, the landmark, the floor, etc. Do's before an interview. Dress appropriately as per corporate setting. It is advisable to be formally dressed, as the first impression is the last impression. Take care of personal grooming and cleanliness. It should be noted that you are well shaved, nails are properly cut, and hair is trimmed. Reach 10 to 15 minutes early. It is always better to be at the venue 10 to 15 minutes early as you get time to settle yourself and be ready for the interview. Be sure about the interview time and location. Find out how long it takes to get there. Make sure you have sufficient time in hand to reach the interview location. Don'ts before an interview. Don't stay up late at night. Staying up late at night may result in you appearing dull and lethargic during the interview. Don't overeat or have carbonated soft drinks. Avoid overeating as it may produce belching, burping, and you may appear unprofessional during the interview. Don't feel as if you are not going to be selected. Make sure that you are confident even if it's your first interview experience. Don't feel nervous. Don't feel nervous because of the atmosphere at the interview venue. Don't forget to be courteous to everybody. Make sure that you greet the person at the entrance as well as the reception. Men's interview attire. Navy or dark grey suit with formal dark trousers and full-sleeved shirt. A long sleeve shirt which is white in color or coordinated with the suit. Black or brown matching belt. With or without a tie. Dark socks and conservative leather shoes. Little or no jewelry. A neat hairstyle. Minimal aftershave. Neatly trimmed nails. Document file or briefcase for any papers that you need to carry. Women's interview attire. Navy, black or dark grey suit, sober salwar kameez, sari if an Indian attire is required. The suit skirt should be long enough to enable you to sit down comfortably. Coordinated blouse, conservative shoes, limited jewelry, no dangling earrings or arms full of bracelets. Neat hairstyle, light makeup and perfume. Neatly manicured but clean nails. Portfolio or briefcase. Scene 1 is about how incorrectly presenting oneself in an interview leads to rejection. The first round of the interview process at HD Technologies. Kunal Gautam is the HR manager who is conducting the interview. Mr. Tarun Kumar has been waiting to be called in for the interview.
Are you Mr. Tarun Kumar?
Yes, of course I am Tarun. Who else do you expect me to be?
It's nice to meet you, Tarun. My name is Kunal Gautam and I am the HR manager here. You can call me Kunal. I hope you have not been waiting too long.
Oh, don't ask. You guys have kept me waiting for more than 20 minutes. I was about to leave this place. Good for you that you called me.
Okay, Mr. Tarun Kumar. You may leave for the day. Maybe one of our executives will get in touch with you. Thanks for coming.
Yeah, really. Thanks. We just saw how Tarun lost the opportunity to be a part of HD Technologies. Scene 2 is about how improper body language mars one's chances to be selected. The first round of the interview process at HD Technologies. Kunal Gautam is the HR manager who is conducting the interview. Ms. Tanya Mehta has been waiting to be called in for the interview.
Are you Miss Tanya Mehta?
Yes, sir.
It's nice to meet you, Tanya. My name is Kunal Gautam and I am the HR manager here.
I'm pleased to meet you, sir.
You can call me Kunal. I hope you have not been waiting for too long.
No, sir, it's absolutely fine.
I hope you are comfortable, Tanya.
I'm quite comfortable, Kunal.
Okay, Tanya. So, would you like to introduce yourself?
Well, I'm Tanya Mehta. I'm a fresh graduate from Bengal University. I'm a keen learner who is passionate in joining an organization like yours.
How did you get to know about our organization?
I was just passing by and got to know that you people are hiring fresh graduates.
Thanks for coming, Tanya. We will get back to you.
We have just seen how Tanya's poor body language lost her the opportunity for the job. Scene 3 is about how proper and dignified body language leaves an appropriate first impression in the eyes of the interviewer, helping you to secure a job. The first round of the interview process at HD Technologies. Kunal Gautam is the HR manager who is conducting the interview. Mr. Sunil Pal has been waiting for his turn for the interview.
Please come in.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning to you too, Mr. Paul. Be seated, please. I hope we haven't kept you waiting for long.
No, sir. It's absolutely fine.
What do you know about our organization?
Sir, your organization is one of the leading and renowned IT companies in the industry. It was founded in the year 1990 with its branches all over the globe.
Okay, Sunil, tell me something about your weaknesses.
Sir, I believe that I am too helpful at times. And in helping others, I tend to leave my own work incomplete.
Being helpful is good, but make sure that your work doesn't get hampered.
Surely, sir.
That's all from my end. One of our executive will contact you within 1-2 days.
Thank you, sir, for this opportunity. I would be waiting for a positive response. Once again, thank you for your time and consideration. Do's of an interview. Treat everybody with courtesy and respect. If you are told to wait for some time after reaching the venue, don't be impatient and disrespect anyone. Be polite and courteous. Greet everybody after getting into the interview room. Be ready for a handshake. Make sure that your handshake is not limp, nor is it a vice-like grip. Be an attentive listener to comprehend questions and respond correctly. Address the interviewer as sir or ma'am. Call them by their first names only if they insist. Maintain eye contact throughout the interview. This makes you look confident. Look alert and sit straight in your seat. Be comfortable. Respond to questions warmly and with specific, related, and real-life examples. Ask for clarification if you don't understand a question. Asking for clarification is anytime better than answering incorrectly. Be brief and concise in your response. Keep your answers to the point. Give relevant information only. Use formal words and expressions and appropriate grammar. With formal responses such as yes, of course, for sure, absolutely, etc. Display your interest in the employer and the job that you are being interviewed for. Always maintain a slight smile on your face to show that you are interested in being there. Reply to the questions in a positive manner. Keep your tone polite but firm. Take time to respond to any tricky or complex question, as haste makes waste. Show your enthusiasm in getting to know about the job profile. Actively participate in the discussion. Don'ts of an interview. Don't sit till you are offered a seat. Don't slouch and fidget. Don't make excessive body movements. Excessive movement of hands and feet are not considered positive during an interview. Don't talk negative about previous employers or managers, as it leaves a negative impression of you. Don't show lack of interest during the interview. It shouldn't feel as if you are there for the interview just for practice. Don't give the impression that you are only interested in money or salary. Show your interest in the job profile too. Don't be rude and imprudent. Say no politely. Turning down a proposal should be done politely. Never be rude while saying no. Don't use slang. You must avoid expressions such as yeah, and fillers such as okay, etc. Don't chew gum. Make sure that while you are in conversation with the interviewer, your mouth is empty and you are not chewing anything, as talking and chewing at the same time does not go hand in hand. Don't smell of sweat. Make sure before entering the interview venue that you are not smelling of sweat. Apply body spray which is mild and not too strong. Don't keep your mobile on during the interview. Keeping your mobile on the silent mode can also cause disturbances at times due to vibrations. Don't leave in a hurry. Shake hands before leaving the room. Expressions such as nice to meet you, have a nice day can be used.